Hey you unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video, I'm gonna create a night eye makeup look onto my hand. So let's play with the colors. Today I will be using blue and black eyeshadow. So grab those colors and let's get it started. Now I'm filling in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow. You can use any other eyebrow product that you like. Now I'm drawing the eye. Let me finish this and then we will jump into the eyeshadows. First color is a sky blue. Let's pack this into the crease and blend it. Next eyeshadow is dark blue. Apply it onto your lid and blend both the colors together. It took me so much time to blend these two together because it is so dusty. Anyways, our next color is black. Let's pack it near to the upper lash line and blend them together. I need more intensity of black, so I'm gonna grab my black eyebrow pencil and will apply it onto the upper lash line. And then on top of it, I will apply the black eyeshadow. That way I will get the desirable intensity. Now I will do what I said earlier. First the eyebrow pencil and then the eyeshadow. I'm applying it onto the lower lash line, actually waterline as well. For the inner corner, I am using the same sky blue color and for the lower lash line as well. Middle section of lower lash line with the dark blue color and the outer section with the black. And try to connect the upper and lower lash line together. For the inner corner to shine and for the arch, I will use a cream color highlighter. To finish off this night eye makeup look, I will draw the eyelashes. You can finish off your eye look by applying false eyelashes onto your actual eye. I will create this eye look onto my actual eye. If you wanna check that out, so follow me on my socials. I will link them in the description box below. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.